This luxury tower offers some of the most exclusive residences in Manhattan. They provide access to an unparalleled lifestyle with world-class dining experiences, recreational activities, with prices starting around $10 million for a two-bedroom apartment. Curious about the most expensive apartments in Manhattan that money can buy? In this video, we'll explore the creme de la creme of luxury real estate in Manhattan, showcasing the top properties that make the city a dream destination for those looking to invest in high-end apartments in New York City. Whether you're considering a move or just love to dream about luxury living, let's dive into a world of Manhattan's most exclusive residences. Here we go. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter McLean, and finding your home is my mission. Well, as you well know, Manhattan is not just a hub of culture and excitement. It's also home to some of the most luxurious living spaces in the world. From stunning views of Central Park to high-end amenities that redefine luxury, these apartments are truly something special. Let me begin with number 7, The Legacy. At number 7, we have stunning residences located at The Legacy, 200 East 59th Street. This building features a range of high-end New York City apartments, with prices starting around $3 million for a two-bedroom unit. The apartments boast breathtaking views of the city skyline and Central Park, making it a prime location for those who appreciate both luxury and nature. The interiors are designed with modern elegance in mind, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. Most units come with 2 to 3 bedrooms and a spacious living area, averaging around 1,500 square feet. Residents enjoy access to exclusive amenities such as a state-of-the-art fitness center, a rooftop terrace, and concierge services that cater for your every need. The condo fees typically range from $1,200 to $20,000 a month, covering maintenance and building amenities. Living here means embracing a lifestyle of comfort and sophistication, while being just steps away from some of Manhattan's finest dining and shopping experiences. Coming in at number 6 is 157, one of the most coveted addresses on Billionaires Row. This luxury condominium offers apartments starting at around $4 million for a one-bedroom unit, with larger three-bedroom apartments reaching up to $30 million. 157 is known for its sleek design and unparalleled views of Central Park. Each apartment features high ceilings up to 11 feet, exquisite finishes, and spacious layouts that redefine urban living. The average size for a two-bedroom apartment is around 1,800 square feet. Residents can indulge in amenities such as a private gym, a swimming pool, and even a wine cellar. Condo fees here range from $2,500 to $16,000 per month, depending on the size of the unit and the specific amenities included. The building's location provides easy access to cultural landmarks like the Museum of Modern Art and Carnegie Hall, making it ideal for art lovers and socialites alike. Number 5. Central Park Tower. At number 5 is Central Park Tower, which stands as one of the tallest residential buildings in the world. With prices starting at $6 million for a two-bedroom apartment, this luxury tower offers some of the most exclusive residences in Manhattan. The apartments feature expansive layouts, with stunning views of Central Park and the city beyond. Most units average around 2,000 square feet and include 3 to 4 bedrooms. Residents enjoy top-tier amenities, including a private lounge on the 14th floor, an indoor swimming pool on the 16th floor, and a fitness center designed by renowned architects. Condo fees here are approximately $3,000 and up to about $18,000 per month. Living in Central Park Tower means having direct access to the beauty of Central Park while being surrounded by high-end shopping on Fifth Avenue. This is truly a gem for those seeking luxury real estate in Manhattan. Number 4. The Pierre. The Pierre Hotel has long been synonymous with luxury living, and its residences are no exception. Ranked 4th on our list, these exclusive residences are priced from $7 million and upwards for a two-bedroom unit. Located on Fifth Avenue and overlooking Central Park, the Pierre combines hotel-like services with the privacy of home ownership. Each apartment is designed to reflect its timeless elegance, with high-end finishes and spacious layouts averaging around 2,500 square feet. Residents have access to hotel amenities such as room service, housekeeping, and fine dining options right at their doorstep. Co-op fees typically range from $2,000 to $18,000 per month, depending on the unit size and services utilized. Living here offers a unique blend of luxury living and five-star hospitality. Number 3. 432 Park Avenue, an architectural marvel that redefines Manhattan's skyline. With apartments starting at around $8 million for a two-bedroom unit, this building is known for its minimalist design and expansive views from every unit. The residences feature open floor plans with large windows that provide panoramic views of the city and beyond. Average size for a three-bedroom apartment here is around 2,700 square feet. Amenities include a private restaurant on site, a fitness center with yoga studios, and even an outdoor terrace for residents to enjoy during warmer months. Condo fees here can be quite steep, ranging from $4,000 to $15,000 per month due to the extensive services offered. Living at 432 Park Avenue means being part of an exclusive community, while enjoying all that Manhattan has to offer. Number 2. The WoolWorth Tower Residences. The WoolWorth Tower Residences take second spot on our list, with prices starting around $10 million for a two-bedroom apartment. This historic building has been transformed into luxurious condominiums that blend classic architecture with modern amenities. Residents enjoy spacious layouts filled with character and charm, alongside contemporary comforts like gourmet kitchens and spa-like bathrooms, and these apartments average around 2,000 square feet. The building offers exclusive access to amenities such as a fitness center and private dining rooms that can accommodate larger gatherings or special events. Condo fees typically range from $2,500 to about $15,000 per month, depending on the size of the unit and the services like maintenance and security features. Living here means being part of New York City's rich history while enjoying modern luxury. At number 1, we have the single best apartment in Manhattan, the Penthouse at Central Park Tower. Topping our list is the Penthouse at Central Park Tower, currently listed for an astounding $150 million. This magnificent residence spans 2 floors with over 15 rooms, including 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, offering unparalleled views of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline. Residents enjoy exclusive access to private amenities, including a grand ballroom suitable for hosting lavish events or gatherings, a screening room equipped with state-of-the-art technology, plus an expansive fitness center that rivals any luxury gym in New York. Living in this penthouse is not just about owning a property, it's about embracing a lifestyle filled with opulence and prestige among exclusive residences in Manhattan. For those looking to make an investment in Manhattan penthouses, this property represents the pinnacle of luxury living. In conclusion, investing in Manhattan's luxury apartments not only provides you with an exquisite living space, but also places you within one of the most vibrant cities in the world, a place where culture meets convenience at every corner. Each property we've explored showcases unique features that reflect personal taste while highlighting investment potential within one of New York City's most dynamic markets. As you consider your options among these top luxury buildings here in New York City, remember that each apartment offers more than just 4 walls. They provide access to an unparalleled lifestyle with world-class dining experiences, cultural landmarks, shopping opportunities, recreational activities, plus so much more. If you like this video and would like to see more content, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Peter McLean and I'm a real estate agent with Corcoran here in New York City. Contact me if I can be of service to you. My contact info is in the description box below. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, your home is my mission.